Here is how to add a client since date in Clio Manage step by step. Start by going to Settings in Clio Manage. This is where you can create and adjust account level options, including custom fields that appear on contact records. Once you are in Settings, click Custom Fields. That opens the area where Clio Manage stores added fields for different parts of your account. From there, select the Contact Custom Fields tab. Make sure you are on the Contact tab specifically, since this field needs to appear on client contact pages and not in another record type. After that, click Add Custom Field to create a new field for this information. When the new field form opens, enter Client Since as the field name. Use that exact name so it is clear on the contact page and easy to recognize later when you are updating a client record. Next, set the field type to Date. This ensures the field is designed to hold a calendar date rather than plain text or another format. Once both of those details are in place, click Save. At this point, the custom field is added to your contact records and will be available when you open an individual client. Now move to the left sidebar and click Contacts. This will take you to your contact list where you can locate the client record that needs a client since date. Find the client you want to update and open that contact. You may be looking at a list view first, so just select the correct client record to continue. On the client's contact page, go to the Custom Fields section. This section contains any added fields that are tied to contact records, including the one you just created. Find the Client Since custom field, then enter the appropriate date for that client. If your account uses a date picker, select the date there. If it allows direct entry, type the date in the format your account accepts. After the date is entered, click Save to apply the changes. This updates the contact record with the new client since information and stores it with that client's custom field data. If you do not see the field right away, make sure the field was created under Contact Custom Fields and not under another custom field category. Then return to the client record and check the custom field section again before entering the date. You have now added a client since date field in Clio Manage and saved a client since date on the client's contact record.